Hi everyone, my name is Heather Cross, and today I'm going to be going over an example of a morning meeting that you can do in an SDC mild slash mod SDC classroom. So for instance, students can enter the classroom and sit down on the carpet and be presented with this lovely Bitmoji classroom that greets them by saying good morning, and it has nice fall vibes that represent what season that we are in. So after everyone has come in and the bell is rung, we would take attendance, and students can actively look around the classroom for their classmates and say yes or no to them being present that day. So we would go through the students, and then next we would talk about how students are feeling today. It's super important as a teacher in general to check in on our students and see how they are feeling, because it really does have an effect on their learning when they aren't in the best of moods. And especially with SDC students, I feel like behaviors are very normal, especially in the morning, because they may have woken up on the wrong side of the bed, to say the very least. And then here we have the days of the week. What's really nice about Google Slides is that you can easily embed materials and YouTube videos specifically onto the slides, so that you don't have to go out of the slideshow to access it. It can play immediately right here, which is really, really nice. Next, students will be talking about the days of the week. So again, super interactive as they call out or shout out. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Again, it's a very visual for SDC students, which is really nice, and it can keep their attention very well. Next, we have the months of the year. So to the side, we have all 12 months, and then right here we have an embedded video where students can learn the months of the year. Now we have the October calendar that discusses each day that we go to school. So on these days that have a Bitmoji, it shows important things. So on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we have PE. On Wednesdays, we have library. And it also shows important days like the 9th, which was Columbus Day or Indigenous Peoples Day, where we had no school. And then we quickly go over, today is October 11th, 2023. Again, as students are saying it out loud, the teacher can click through it. And again, very visual. Next up, we have the weather and the season. So it's very nice, very visual for students to see. Partially cloudy, windy, sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, and what the seasons look like. Next, we have how many days we have been in school. So students would add it next to the tens frames and then count them up. So it would be 44 days. This is a I Can Follow the Rules song, where students learn about the classroom rules, and it just reinforces them. Next, we have a nice warm-up activity that discusses the letter L and what begins with the letter L. What's really nice about this is that students can come up to the board and actually write it down physically on the whiteboard. Lastly, we have a this or that brain break activity where students can vote on which one they would rather have. And then we just have a nice little congratulations, you did a good job this morning at our morning meeting. And then we would wrap it up with a bathroom break. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.